Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Node.js script which will convert your Excel file into a JSON file. Sorry, it will create a Microsoft Excel file from a JSON file here. So we have an input JSON file here inside my directory. It has an array of objects here, each object representing one form of data. So it has various properties. So I will convert this JSON file into Excel file. I will write a script right here. So as I run this script right here, you will see on the left hand side, as I run this application, it will create this Excel file. So it will automatically detect how many records are present inside your JSON file. So 5 records found, and it converted the JSON to Excel file. So it created this Excel file right here, XLS Microsoft Excel file. If I open this now, you will see uh, all the array of records in the JSON file has been converted. So we have the set of columns, we have set of rows. So in this easy way guys, I will show you a Node.js script right here. So all the source code will be given in the description of this video. So first of all, you need to install this third-party module, which is XLSX. This is the third-party module that we are using here. Simply install this by this command, and after that we just need to require this package XLS, and we just need to require this, and we also need the file system module, which is a built-in Node.js module. After that we will read the JSON file, which is using this function JSON.parse. It's a built-in function, and we will be reading the file here using the file system module. So read file, synchronize, and here you will specify your uh, JSON file here. So the path here, so my path is present in the same directory, so I will just write output JSON, and that's all. It will read this data which is present in this file here. It is present, if you see, in my same directory, and after that it will return the data, and here we need to specify a array. So data array, and we will basically detect JSON data users, or if the data is not available, in that case we will simply say whatever is the JSON data is there. That's all. After that we basically construct the final data, and for this we use this array, and we detect if it is an array or not. So is array, and we specify the data array and use the ternary operator. If it's an array here, we need to specify data array or data array, like this. So after this step we basically log the data. So we specify how many records are present in the JSON file. So we specify the final data dot length. So it will calculate the total number of records and print it. After that we will create the worksheet of an Excel file. For creating the worksheet we actually create a variable, and there is a function out this inside this module, XLS utils dot book append underscore sheet, and here you will specify the workbook, whichever workbook that you are working on, and then the worksheet, and here we specify the sheet name. So we create this sheet name right here, which is sheet 1, inside your workbook. After that we actually embed all the records. So XLS dot it contains this function write file, and here we write this workbook and the name of the file. So let me say result.xls, and then we specify your conversion is complete. That's all. So now what I do, I delete this file here before running the script, just to cross check. And as I run the script right here, you will see on the left hand side it is saying workbook is not defined. Sorry, I think we haven't defined the variable workbook. Here is this workbook. Oh, sorry, we haven't defined this variable, guys. Sorry about it. We use this function, which is sorry. We basically what we done. We create the worksheet and the workbook. We create the worksheet by using this method, which is JSON to sheet, and we provide the data, which is final data. And then we create a new workbook by using this function book new, which is contained. Both these functions are of this third-party module XLS utils book new. After creating a new workbook, then we use this method XLS utils dot book append sheet, and we provide the workbook, the worksheet, and the sheet name. So first of all, we create the new worksheet, then we create the workbook, and then we append the data by using this function. So if I refresh, you will see on the left hand side data being converted, 5 records found, and it created this file here, which is result.xls. And if I show you, the data has been successfully converted to an Excel file right here. You will see it automatically detected how many records were present in the JSON file. So a total of 5 records were present, and all those records were converted into JSON Excel file. So all the source code, guys, will be given in the description, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video, and image.